You're running the business.
Yeah, exactly. To make the investment vehicle work, do its thing. That's a negative. But a positive is you can access them. It's as easy as sending out an ad that is designed to, generate some level of interest and excitement about an opportunity, about the new cool thing and the kind of returns that someone could get. So you could get a lot of interest. So you validates your deal quicker because people deploy money faster. You get impulse purchases. Someone has $700,000 that they're sitting on. They'll throw 200 grand into your thing if they like it enough. So that's the benefit to it. You got that speed of action, the ability to get equity in your business fast. And that like a dopamine hit. It's like a success. It's like a little buzz. It's like, yeah, we got a deal done. Some money landed. We can take some steps. Some milestones can be reached, especially if it's a smaller business. If it's a smaller company where to reach certain milestones doesn't actually cost that much. So they can do the next thing with a couple of $100 grand that's just deployed. But there's that point, right, where you kind of get to the point where it's like the deal becomes big enough, right there, where that equilibrium almost, where it now you can get the interest of a family office.
That's right. And then how many of these investors are you going to keep adding to your stockpile? Some of them will reinvest, but not all of them will reinvest, which means that, on your first deal, maybe it's 20 investors. Your second deal, maybe another 20. And over time, that just becomes too much if you don't have a full-time IR team. So that's the difficulty. I think some of the software today, like Juniper Square, has certainly made that easier than it was 10, 20 years ago.
What was that software?
Juniper Square.
Juniper Square. I haven't seen it. I don't think I've used it.
There's a bunch of other ones out there. Essentially, they provide a back end of your deal to the investor, to the retail investor. All reports are there. You can fund there. Capital calls are there.
Oh, right. I got it. Like it's like an investor portal.
Exactly. So that's certainly made it easier in the world of real estate funds, whatnot. But again, when you get to a certain level, it probably makes sense to take on some institutional money just because you're not going to be dealing with that end of the business, and it allows you to scale faster. Once you get their trust, you can scale.